Hello guys, you are welcome to Black YouTuber YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is for those who can't access the NSS PIN with the right information. And this tutorial is helpful for majority but not for all. So without wasting my time, let's get started. First of all, let me input the right information of this person and see what happens. This is the correct date for this person, but as I inputted, the system is telling me there's no NSP enroll with these details. Kindly provide correct information. Meanwhile, it's correct. So the clue behind this is just interchange the date of birth with the month of birth. Now boom, as I change, that's open. Meanwhile, the date of birth and the month of birth is wrong, but it has worked. So this is the simple trick to access your NSS PIN code and continue with your registration. So you can now click here to start your payment and also go to choose Momo option, second option pay bill, and continue with the rest. So this tutorial was just about how to access your NSS PIN and further your registration. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.